Hi everyone, here we are going to see about Unit 4 continuation part. So in this presentation, we are going to see about the uh, patent laws as well as assets, and then we are going to see about the challenges, then who can apply for the patent, then how the patent will be used for the digital products and its laws. Let me see one by one. So here are the challenges. So that is it will uh, protects and exploits the value of data. So most of the challenges have been divided by product sales data, and also it should be given as a digital products. So that is more it should be given a component prices, supply chain informations or market statistics. So that is the products can be of a micro imitations or product offerings. So that is the good idea can be added to and improved upon within the science, which is retested by the market or end user. Thus will provides the better tool for all to use. So in the online marketplaces, the governments are dissimilar and they have used the inconsistent on setting the rules which will be around the intellectual property and this protections around the many business. So who can play the global marketplace means they have to choose the to get the involved and simply allow the fraudulent products to offer the mass. So the governments are very large and bureaucratic. So they have also imbalanced and skewed to the largest business in societies. So these large market places disproportionately impact the economies and have the power to influence the policy making. So the next is moving to portfolio based IPs. For example, automotive sectors, electronic based technologies which are relevant to IoT, vehicle manufacturing, so that is artificial intelligence, battery management and drone control. So everything will be comes under the global method. So that is today's challenge of protecting the intellectual property is that to add to the initial ideas and simply copy with their own benefits to determine the innovative, ideating and bringing the useful products to the market. So this will be the first to spend the time and money in doing that products. So damaging the ability to recoup values for one's effort will create the problem both original as well as the society. So this will be very greater and it is used to invent the less capable of being rewarded for their talents and times. Next is the licensing challenges. So licensing challenges will be that the companies will not be own all the intellectual properties which is necessary for manufacturing their intelligent devices. So most of the innovation ideas that is considering the society progress which should be determined on the fair and balanced playing field. So that best ideas which is float on the top and everyone benefits with the format in place, that is the ability for those who innovate successfully and receive the rewards and incentive to continue doing so, and it was have the problems in need of solutions both benefits. So next is the understanding the true cost of free softwares. There are most free softwares are available in the digital world. So most of the softwares are open source. So everyone can use that platform without without paying any cost. But most of the softwares are not in open source. So we have to develop the leading platforms and we have to pay the cost and we have to enter into that software method. So managing this trade secret is very difficult. So we have to cooperate with this software fields. Next is the strategies. So when we are educating the people to about intellectual property awareness means also intellectual property management. So it is very capable for the people to understand earlier. So IP strategy will needs the organization to maintain their structures and business objectives in a smooth manner. So the third is the strategy. So in every field we have to maintain a strategy. So all the organization will need a help to develop their own integrated digital intellectual property strategy in their business. Next is the intellectual property laws. So the intellectual property laws will awards the investors, that is the artists and the institutions, which will contain exclusive rights to produce the copy and distribute the licensed goods and technologies. So intellectual property rights will provide the incentives to inventors and also to develop the new knowledge, and to authors and artists to create the forms of artistic expressions. So most of the time there are dynamic gains. So they have forms the introduction of new products, informations and creative activities in their field. So this will become the intellectual property law. Next is the attributes of property. So there are 5 attributes. The first thing will be it is scarce or limited and it possesses value. Then we have to availability of through the acquisition or possession. Next is the inherent quality of satisfying the possessiveness and uniqueness of users. So these are the 5 attributes that occurs in the intellectual property. Next, introduction to intellectual property. So most of the immaterial products of man's are brains. So they have a valuable goods and lands in their material products. So the laws will be gives him a proprietary right and also unauthorized by the other persons to the violations of ownership. So they have to consider not less than the theft of the persons. Importance of intellectual property. First is social benefits. So to recognize this intellectual property, it is more important because inventors or creators of an idea may keep their secrets very consciously and unconsciously. So consciously because he wants to exploit his idea fully through the keeping the matter trade secret. So if he consciously wants to maximize the advantages by keeping the trade secret, he also runs the danger of reverse engineering and also consequential non-protection in their intellectual property rights. Second thing will be the new ideas and new markets. So when there is any new ideas in the market, means they have to maintain their dimensions, and ideas have a rules. So we have to open up their ideas in the markets for the consumers and industrial goods. This will lead a amount of earning the market. So role of intellectual property in development. So that is, the rewards will be granted to the innovator or creator of ideas which are reflected by benefits with the innovations or creations that will confer on consumers. Next, patent as an asset. So patent is a property we have known, that is the example is house property. Use means we have to live in the particular place. Sell means we have to sold the property. License means rent. So that is the rent will be comes under the license, and the mortgage will be we have to pay the mortgage for their house property. Then abandon, we have to particularly take over that property. Who can apply for patents? So first and true inventors of the inventions are the can apply for the patents, and they have an assignee of first and true inventor. So they have to legal representative of any deceased persons, and who was entitled to make such an application before his death. So after completing their representativeness, they have to file the application path. So the true and first inventor can have others as a joint applicants. So this will make the persons to apply for the patent product. Ways for protection of digital or IP. So there are more ways are occurred. So the first thing will be the cryptography, second is the digital watermark technology, third is digital signature technology, fourth electronic marking, fifth is the security features of operating system. So that is the cryptography. Cryptography means you can find out the cryptical words. Digital watermark technology, so that is the watermark technology will be used in the most of the contents. So we can easily remove or we can introduce into the contents. So next is the digital signature technology. In digital signature technology, this will be nowadays mostly using in the most of the parts. So when you are patenting the files, means you have to keep it as a digital signature. So this will be very useful for to file the patent. So next is the electronic making. Everything will becomes under the electronic marketing. So that will be makes the product to earn more. So security features of operating system. So when you are getting into the operating system means you have to maintain that security features that will leads your data to maintain a secret. Thank you.